Good evening and welcome to Algebra 2. My name is Aaron Cuttis and I'm very sorry that I can't be there today. I'm unfortunately teaching a college class at Sussex County Community College. I'd like to thank Mr. Rogers who's filling in for me. Without him it wouldn't be possible for me to connect with you like this. I'd like to give you a little bit of information about myself as well as the class that your students are going to be taking to give you an idea of what they're going to experience and do throughout the year. A little bit about me. I went to college at Montclair State University, up Route 80. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Mathematics, a minor in Computer Science, and I also have a Master's in Educational Leadership. Outside of college, I was a programmer by day. I worked with small to medium-sized businesses building websites, and I worked at a telecommunications company for approximately 12 years, working on everything from building servers to designing phone systems and everything in between. I try to use some of my out-of-the-classroom experience in that to try and give the kids direct applications in real life where the mathematics that we work on could be used, to try and help them truly bond with what's happening and make it a little less abstract. If you ever have any questions for me, please don't hesitate to get in touch. My email address is on the screen at akitis@vtsd.com. Thanks to the advent of smartphones, I'm able to check my email pretty often, and I try to do my best to get back as quickly as I can. If for some reason you prefer not to email or you'd like to talk in person, please don't hesitate to call the office or leave a note in my mailbox downstairs. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. If you'd prefer phone or even an in-person conference, just let me know and I'll work around your schedule to the best of my ability. The grading policy in Algebra 2 is 50% for tests, 30% for quizzes, 10% for homework, and 10% for class participation. These are meant to help encourage students to do well. If they work in class and they do the homework, they should be very well prepared for the quizzes. And if they work hard on the quizzes and review what they've missed, they should be well prepared for the tests. It's designed to help them do well. My expectations for each student are fairly direct. I ask them to be on time. It's easier to teach them if they're in the classroom, of course. To respect each other, to make the environment positive. To be prepared and bring a pencil and a notebook, occasionally a textbook. And of course, that implies taking notes in class and participating so that I can assist them in the best way possible. And then, of course, to do their homework and to give me 100%. And if they do that, they should do well this year. The curriculum covers a bunch of great topics, from equations and inequalities to quadratics and rational expressions, and even some exponential and logarithmic stuff. We try our best to give them a good smattering of all the Algebra 2 topics and make sure they're prepared for the next level of math, whether that be in pre-calculus or college. In closing, I want to thank you guys for coming out tonight. I'm sorry that I couldn't be there. If there are any questions that you have, if there's anything that I can explain or anything that you feel I should know about your student, again, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I look forward to working with all of you throughout the year. Have a great evening.